Hey there, wonderful people! I'm back with another video, and today we're diving into a topic that's absolutely essential for anyone looking to boost their online presence. It's about how to create a successful content repurposing strategy. Let's break it down. Content repurposing is like turning one piece of content into a variety pack of engagement. Imagine taking your best performing blog posts, videos, or social media content and giving them a second life, all while reaching a wider audience without starting from scratch. Here's your playbook. Identify your star content. Look for the pieces that have struck a chord with your audience, the ones that have made people sit up and take notice. Next is to get creative with formats. Think about how you can breathe a new life into your content. Can that blog post become an engaging video? Can you transform it into an eye-catching infographic? Maybe it's right for a podcast episode or a series of social media stories. You also need to fit the platform. Each platform has its own unique vibe and audience. Tweak your content to feel right at home and connect with your viewers naturally. You also need to stay consistent. A content calendar is your secret weapon. It keeps your repurposing efforts organized, ensuring a steady stream of fresh content. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to create a highly effective content repurposing strategy. Content repurposing is a time saver and audience expander rolled into one. It's a game changer, so why wait? Start today and watch your online presence flourish. Thanks a million for joining me on this learning journey. Once again, I appreciate you tuning in to how to create a successful content repurposing strategy. I'll catch you in the next video.